Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video we are going to see limit offset pagination. Okay, so this is how we will see the request URL, alright, and this is how we will see the response. Now in response you can see in the next URL we have limit and offset. Alright, so what does this mean? So let's say my limit I am setting is 2 and my offset which I am going to set is 3. So what it is going to do is it will show me 2 data, alright, 2 data on the first page, and in second page it will show me the data from the third position. It will make more sense once I implement this. I know you will not understand it, so we are not going to discuss this global setting. We are directly going to jump into the main thing. So here I'll just comment this one. Now our class name is going to be same, so I'll say class, but if you write same class then please comment this one, okay. And here I'll say limit offset pagination, but I need to import that one, so I'll say limit offset pagination. And here I'll set default limit is going to be 2, alright, and max limit is going to be 10. We will see these both things first. So I'll just come over here and run my server, and I'll go to the blog list page. Now here you can see since our limit was 2, we have 2 data. Now if I click on next offset, then you can see I got another 2 data with ID number 3 and 4. Now if I click on next, then you can see I got 5th data. So what it is doing is, let me open the whiteboard. So I don't have whiteboard, I need to download and I'll come back. Okay, so I have downloaded and opened the whiteboard. I'll just click on new whiteboard and it will take some time. Yeah, now we are done. Okay, so I'll just grab this one. So let's say my limit is equals to 5, not 5, 2, alright, which means this is going to allow 2 data in my first page, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and my offset is equals to, let's say, 2 for the first page. Okay, so now this limit means it will show me 2 data on the first page. Now this offset, let me change the color of this pen. Now this offset means it is going to show me another 2 data when I hit on the next page. So when I go to page number 2, it is going to show me this data, and when I am on page number 1, it is going to show me this data, and when I will go to page number 3, it will show me this data. Okay, so what it is going to do is, when I will go to page number 2, alright, on the page number 2, the offset is going to be equal to 4. Now this will not be counted when I am on page number 2, and when I am on page number 3, my offset is going to be null because I don't have any further data. Okay, so if I click on this and this, you can see next page is null, not my offset but my next page is null. Alright, so I hope you got idea about this explanation, and please don't laugh on my diagram. So yeah, this is how page limit offset pagination works. I forgot 2 more parameters to discuss. Okay, so if you want to rename this limit, you can rename it, and the parameter for that is limit query param equals to, you can say, start, and if you want to override the offset, then you can say offset query param equals to, you can say, end id. I'm just writing this random thing, okay? Or let's see, you can say start over here, because offset basically shows that on which position data you gonna see. All right, and here you can say limit. Yeah, save that one, come over here, just refresh, and you can see start and limit. Oops, did I made some mistake or what? Okay, no, I haven't made any mistake. Now you can see limit equals to 2 and start equals to 2. So our limit query param is limit and our offset query param is start. So yeah, these were the two main parameters for this limit offset pagination. So yeah, now this is the end of the concept of limit offset pagination. So I hope you understood the concept and you got better idea from my rough figure. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next video. Thank you.